What does the beach club mean exactly? Like, what do you get when you go inside?
In beach club, they always have good food sometimes, yeah. And then DJ, everybody has sunbed and tables to sit, cocktails,
So you pay for
live music in the night.
sunbed, food and drinks, and basically you go sun tanning like
And become like daytime club, you know.
like daytime day club, daytime night club.
Night club, yeah, day club, yes.
Very interesting.
Because that concept not gonna work daytime in real clubs, but works on the seaside.
Wait, I'm gonna check it out here a little bit, okay? Maybe I can see something.
Nice place to drink.
Nice place to drink alcohol during the daytime with a
Yeah.
good excuse. But look, we have a lot of like building area. So what's inside that building?
Restaurants and wedding rooms,
But where is their
kitchens.
beach area?
done.
Michelle says, I wish I could live there.
Oh, they built road here. They used to have no road. You see?
This is the green beach, and they have been renovating here. So they're probably going to open some kind of coffee shop, or I don't know yet. But look, like they've made some kind of renovations here, and I don't know, they've been working on it a lot. So we will see what's going to happen off it. There used to be a regular normal tea shop owned by government. Wow.
It's windy but not cold.
Yeah, it's nice breeze actually. Number 5.
We can get dolmuş until we get home. There's our car, you know,
Oh,
way back.
that's a good idea. Let's get a dolmuş on the way back, because we parked our car so far.
Look, they make road here. They fill up the garden.
So wait, is this platform where it's going to be the beach
Yeah,
club?
this is beach, yeah.
It belongs to Miracle, yeah?
Yeah.
When is the season gonna officially begin with that? You think soon?
Yeah, very soon, very, very soon.
What's the name of Visitor Sea here?
Trekent.
Trekent. So there was one day, about a year ago,
Yeah.
when I had a dream I will buy a house here, you know, and I came to these front 3 houses, and they look so beautiful. If you go to the gardens, oh my god, the view that they have. And of course they're not for sale ever.
Yeah.
Like whoever owns it, they hold it, and many years it has not been for sale. I was gonna just knock on the door and offer the cash higher than the market price and hope for the best, but it just didn't happen. So there we are. So we didn't end up buying a house from here. We bought a house somewhere else, even closer to the water. So also nice houses are right here on top. They actually have beautiful sea view. They belong to the same city sea, and they're really nice. But they're all like with the neighbor. Like I mentioned in Turkey, they all live like next to each other. These are not like single houses. These are 2 houses next to each other. So there is like very, very hard to find a house. You would have to buy 2 houses to own the whole thing. You would always have a neighbor on the wall. Like it's a strange thing to me. Lived in Europe, and I lived in Canada, and it's like such an unusual thing to be always stuck to the neighbor. But I guess you could call them townhouses. And yeah, that's how it goes. So it's a beautiful, quiet, peaceful city sea. Maybe even too quiet in the winter, I'm not sure. I would personally maybe prefer a little bit more busy place to just feel safe in the winter when it's completely quiet, like in December and January. Most of those houses are closed down, so like I said, foreigners who own them, they come here for 6 to 8 weeks in the summer, and then the rest of the time the house is either closed or like being taken care by the manager. There are these property managers in Kuşadası who just take care of your house, make sure that, you know, water doesn't leak, or open the windows sometimes and stuff like that. So there's like a special service that is provided in case you are not there for the whole year. There we are. Okay, so after Green Beach, what is after Green Beach? Does anyone know? Put a comment. There's a quiz for you, and you guys, there will be a test on Friday. There will be a quiz on Friday, so please listen carefully. So here's a beautiful picture for you.
This
Green.
island, let's go on that island, make live video.
How I'm gonna get there? I need a GoPro camera.
Yeah.
So we actually dreamed to buy 2 GoPro cameras, put it on our heads, and then sort of swim with it to feed the fishes in the water, to film under the water and on top of water. So you would guys have an experience of swimming with us
Yeah.
instead of walking with us. So we'll do that this summer. So you can feed the fishes with us underwater. So now we will go to Paradise Beach. Is that okay, baby? So we will just show you how it looks like, and we will end the video up there. And why is it called the Lost Paradise Beach? When was it lost, baby?
I don't know. Long time ago. Ancient time.
Ancient times. So what we are seeing here right now is the last stop of Dolmuş number 5. And all Dolmuşes come here and they stop and they rest. And there's a nice tea shop here with a beautiful sea view. Very simple tea shop. So all of the Dolmuş drivers, they hang out here, they order food, they chat, they become friends. Turkish people really like to bond with each other and chat. Marcella, good morning from Ireland. MK from Germany.
Oh, this statue, this art. He said, don't carry gossips, carry rocks is better.
Oh, interesting. Barbara says, hope we can get there this year. Hopefully. Dolmuş number 5. So those who don't know, right after the stop, the Dolmuş stop, Lost Paradise Beach is just right there. So you just go down the road and you'll get to the beach. It's just one restaurant there with one very nice owner. And some of the hotels, I think Palmin Hotel has a special shuttle to bring guests.
And you have free sunbath if you stay in Palmin Hotel.
Yeah, something like that. So if you stayed in Palmin, can you confirm this? Because I think they provide a shuttle and they bring you to the beach and you get free chairs here.
Free chairs, and you pay for the food, but you get sunbath.
Like they bought it out for themselves a little bit, like.
Because they're a little bit far to the beach. They have swimming pool, but they have this kind of option.
So have you stayed in Palmin, and is this true? They bring you.
I used to work, you know.
Yeah, Mustafa in the old times used to work there.
Before cruise ships.
So what did you do there, baby?
Bartender.
Wow. So did you meet a lot of girls there?
Not much.
The best answer to say to your wife. Not much means at least 2. Alright then. Sunrise Beach
I
Club?
was not womanizer.
No?
No.
That's
I
good.
was so busy working. Very busy, you know.
So here we are. This is the Lost Paradise Beach. I don't think they brought sand yet. Oh, they brought sand? Looks like they did. Because they bring new sand every year. It gets washed out a little bit. So government does that.
Yeah.
So this is the beautiful Lost Paradise Beach. I guess it was lost at some point. And there is a beautiful restaurant right there.